Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and now we're going to do the plumbing section of the sump pump that we are installing together, just to let you know. So that's kind of the plan. I'm just letting you know, and I'm going to use the Odie Fusion single step. I've used this stuff in the past, haven't had problems with just drain lines and stuff, nothing with pressure. I haven't used this with any kind of pressure or anything like that, but if you've seen my other videos, I've used it for the fish tank and I haven't had problems, and I used it a couple years ago. Didn't really have any issues with that, which is good. I've used it for central vacuum installations. We did videos together with that. I don't know, we did a couple of videos together, guys, and I did use this, and I don't know, I haven't had any problems, any leaks or anything like that for me to say. I did not use this in the commercial atmosphere and when I was out doing, you know, 15, 20 plumbing jobs a week. So I was not using this, so I can't say, oh, I used this and then it didn't work in the commercial field a year later or anything like that. So that's the only thing. I do not have experience with that, just with the residential and the videos you have seen. So right now it's been working. I like the single step, don't have to do anything else. This does have a little bit of resistance, okay, when it starts to dry. So if you're gonna be using this, you can't use it in a space where you will not be able to hold the pipe together, okay? That's a tip. Don't use this and then think you just stick it on there. No, this will push just the way it works. This will push the pipe out and then you're gonna have issues. So make sure that you put this in an area that you're gonna be able to get those pipes together, okay? All right, guys, so let's continue this project. Let's go to the job site. Let's see how the pipe is gonna be up and all that other stuff, and we'll check that out, all right? I'll see you there. All right, everyone, so we are pretty much checking out what's going on here at the project site, the job site, whatever you want to call it. So we want to make this look pretty hot. You know what I mean? We want to make this look a little bit sexy than the regular ones that I've seen, but it's all up to your environment and what's going on and how long it's going to take you. I mean, if you're doing this for someone else, you should just go, you know, all out. I don't know. It depends on how much they mean to you, I guess. But I mean, I usually just go all out anyway because I have issues and I'm a Virgo, and that's just the problem with me. But if you're doing this for someone that means something, you know, maybe you should do more. You know, that's all. You know, you have to balance productivity, you know, over cost and you know, there's a lot of variables. So that's another thing. But for now, what I'm saying is that this is going to be really cool. People would really appreciate it, especially if you guys have rental property, guys, and you guys are going to put this in. People are not even going to know they have a sump pump. You know what I mean? You're only going to know because it's going to be under there. But if you can make it really silent, and they're going to be like, man, I've been in houses before that had sump pumps that they rented, and they were like, man, it stinks. And you're going to be like, yep, that's why you're here. That's why you chose to rent from me, and that's why you stay here forever. And that's how I roll. Even though, you know, in rental, guys, every 5 years, it's nice to have people move out because I like to refresh the my apartments. You know what I mean? I like to you know, you see my videos of what I do. I like to do a refresh, and I like to do it. And plus, rates of rent go up crazy after 5 years compared to, you know what I mean, what they used to. So and I don't raise people's rents like that, so you know what I mean. So it's, if you do it every 5 years, at least you're at market value. All right, just a little tips and stuff like that with the rentals. But anyway, so what we're gonna do in here, guys, is we're gonna go up through the wall. Okay, so I already broke out some of the concrete. I didn't show you what I did because I wanted to get that done, to get the concrete out of here, because you know, you already know I like to keep it clean, even though I know it's going to get dirty. I'm just saying I didn't want the concrete debris in there. So I just broke this out, okay? See the floor right here, as you can see? This floor was right here, okay? So I broke that in about this deep. Okay, well, you don't know, I don't know how deep you're going to have to go, but I went deep enough that I was able to go under this wall. Okay, so under this wall, there's wood that goes across, okay, but there's a hollow on the inside, and there's a hollow void, and the void on my wall is exactly 1 1/4. So it's perfect for my situation that I'm using 1 1/4 to come down here to the pump. I mean, it just like magically worked out for a sump pump situation, and hopefully it'll work out for you too, just like it did for me. It was great. So it's 1 1/4 inch void that I had, and then pretty much, guys, you know, I don't know if you know about walls or whatever, but usually in walls they have it depends on where it is. They might have fire block, a firewall or whatever. Sometimes they go across. Or, you know, sometimes if there's a door frame, they want to secure the door, though. There's many variables that there could be a lot of wood in there. I'm just letting you know. Pretty much what I was able to do is I was able to, you know, drill. There was only wood right here. I was able to drill through that with a 1 1/2, no, a 2 inch hole saw, okay? So I just used a 2-inch hole saw with the extension bits. I did reviews on those extension bits when I did other jobs, and we went all the way through right to the bottom, perfect size, and then I was able to push the pipe all the way down, and we were able to gonna run it up all the way in the ceiling, okay? So pretty much the pipe is gonna come all the way down. Now, no, I was not able to get one pipe all the way down. I'm gonna have 2 connections, realistically, there's gonna be one pipe coming down, and then I'm gonna have a coupling, and then the other one, is gonna meet there, because I don't have that kind of clearance to fit a whole pipe in the wall all the way up to the ceiling. And the wall's not open. If the wall was open, then that'd be different. But that's not us right now. Now remember, we still need to finish this, guys. This needs to go up, so we're gonna push that up right now. Let me show you the beginning. Let me show you the beginning stages of how much where this is going to go here. So now we're going to run that right into there, guys. Okay, and it's going to go up in the wall. Going to close this floor off. You're not even going to know what's going on. This is all going to be sealed up. I know there's a bunch of plumbing in the back that you guys saw. That's for there's a bunch of laundry machines in this house, so there's a lot of plumbing for the laundry chutes and the mop sinks, I guess, or whatever. There's a couple slop sinks, and there's a bunch of different things. That's why there's plumbing crazy over there. But this is going to be sealed up over here, so you're not going to see that anymore, which is going to be great, because we're not going to have anything running over there, and then we're going to have nothing having to run out of the floor. It's going to go all right in here, and that's going to be really hot. So I'm really excited about this. So that's pretty much the beginning stages of it, guys. So let's get the pump, let's drop it in, let's continue with the project, get the plumbing done, get this going, move forward together onto the next project, help people out in need, I guess, if they need it, or just if you want to do something, like I said, for your significant other or special things. You could do kind of cool things for them and help family members out, and that's kind of what's up. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit.